Put Coca-Cola in the eggshell and you'll be amazed at the result. After I learned that, I never bought it from the market again. And folks, that's right. Here I put 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola in some eggshells. And don't throw that little bottle away because we're going to use it as a measure. Now transfer all this mixture to a blender and blend until all the peel is crushed. I'm sure that when you learn this trick, you'll always do it at home because it's very practical, and I bet it will help a lot of housewives. After blending well, place the mixture in another container. We are now going to use detergent. I'm using that one, but you can utilize whatever you have at home. And we're going to add the same measurement of Coca-Cola. So, use the bottle for that. Then mix well and finally add the same amount of water. Regular water at room temperature. Then mix one last time. Once that's done, our tip is ready. What we're going to do now is we're going to pour all the mixture into a container. I have this detergent container here, so I'm going to use it as it will make application much easier. If you don't have a container like this, you can use a bottle and poke a hole in the lid. That works just as well. I suppose you might be curious, wondering what this Coca-Cola and eggshell mix is used for. What we've just created is an excellent aluminum cleaner and brightener. That's right. I bet everyone has a burned, dirty, or stained pan at home that just won't come clean. So, here's the ultimate solution for that. All you have to do is spoon some of the mixture directly into the pan and then scrub it with a dishwashing sponge. This mixture is so potent that you don't have to use much force. Eggshell is extremely abrasive, so it will help remove dirt and add shine to your pans. Coca-Cola has components that aid in cleaning and primarily works by cutting through built-up grease. You can use it on any metal and aluminum pieces you have at home. It will remove all kinds of stains and leave an incredible shine. Just look at the impressive result. So be sure to try this wonderful tip at home. For sure, this will help you a lot on a daily basis. It's really worth it because in addition to being easy, it's very cheap. And you no longer have to spend money on expensive products sold in supermarkets. I'm sure you never imagined that mixing Coca-Cola with eggshells could result in such a powerful product to polish our metals and aluminums and leave them as good as new. It will look like you just bought the pans for your house. And it works not only for pans, but also for cutlery, lids, jars, anything you want to give a special shine. That was today's tip. I hope you enjoyed it. A big hug, and I'll see you in the next video.